I took down all the bikini photos. I took down most of the photos with my cleavage and all. I think maybe ek do bache honge of some awards or anything. I used to have 300 posts on Instagram. I am someone, I have traveled the world. I am someone who is very confident in her body and everything. I had this trip to Krabi. I'm very scared of ocean. But I kind of like, Khatron Ke Khiladi types. I wanted to be like, what if 7 din main sirf ocean pe hi hu, no land, nothing. So that was a very a big thing for me. I went, I did it. Every day I wore a beautiful bikini. I have the body for it. I posted pictures. Like you said, I chose to post those pictures. Of course, me posting those pictures gave people a certain type of impression about me because sadly we live in a country where it's not normal. As an artist, I want versatility in the roles I'm doing, right? I want to be seen, like I want a director to be able to imagine me in a specific kind of role, this and that. I don't always want to be the rich girl. That is on me, what I portray on myself. I had 300 posts. Now if you check my profile, I have just 100 posts. I took down all the bikini photos. I took down most of the photos with my cleavage and all. I think maybe ek do bache honge of some awards or anything. I took down reels. I used to have like 200 reels. Now I think I have 11 or 12 reels. I choose to portray myself now. I have a pretty face. So when I'm covered up, naturally the directors are concentrating on my face. I post no makeup selfies. I post my regular gym. I post my martial arts. I post my MMA. I post covered up outfits. I post more relatable content because I work with South. Matlab, me eating on the streets, me wearing a kurta, me wearing a hoodie, me smiling, more relatable. So to answer your question, that's what gets me work. Now they can see me in that light. Me as a person, a fancy girl coming from Dubai, owning luxury, very confident in her body. I'm खुद मैं उनको हाथ पकड़ा रही हूँ कि हाँ मुझे यही आता है. This is how I am. I'm confident in this. मैं अभी इस stereotypical role में ही fit होंगी. How a director who doesn't know me, a producer who doesn't know me, who bumps into my profile, why would he look at me as a village girl when he doesn't know only मैं उसमें कैसे दिख सकती हूँ?
சம்மர் வந்தாச்சு. எங்க கிட்ட விட்டுருங்க. நாங்க பாத்துக்கிறோம்.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.